Okay, this is how to do a save and replace on a Commodore 128 with a 1581 drive. So I'm going to create a little one-line program. I'm going to save it as test. Here's my directory. You can see test is there. I'm going to add a line 20. I'm going to do dsave and then at and then test. And this should overwrite the test file or save and replace. Test is still there, so I'm going to load it up and then do a listing. You can see my save and replace was successful. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.